are pleased to show you 2020 Toyota Corolla Hybrid. The Toyota Corolla Hybrid provides exactly what you're looking for in a functional yet efficient vehicle. An abundance of new technology features, a stylish exterior design, and an extremely quiet ride will provide a relaxing driving experience. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.